ladies and gentlemen, this is the battle between Silang Hoopers versus NXT Sports. Jump ball between Trinilla. Rebound by Kian. 2 points yan para kay Kian Domenice. De La Peña. Offensive foul po Aloya. Domenice. Domenice for 3. No good. Nakuha ni De La Peña. De La Peña. Naagaw ni Domenice. Domenice, pass 2. Milos, sa ilalim. Foul. Foul on number 2, Mateo Gomez. Shooting 2 free throws for Balolot. Basket for Balolot. Second throw. No good. No good. De La Peña. Pass to Velarde. Velarde. Pass to Gomez. Back to De La Peña. 10 to shoot. De La Peña. Pull up. No good. Nakuha ni Balolot. Pass to Domenice. Domenice. No good. Nakuha ni Velarde. Velarde. Pass to De La Peña. Backward violation. 14 to shoot. Dominice. Pass to Nilo. Nilo. Foul. Foul for Aloya. Andre Lee. Pass to Pabor. Pass to Dominice. Back to Pabor. Traveling violation. Aloya. Pass to De La Peña. De La Peña. Setting the play. 15 to shoot. Pass to Velarde. Sa gilid. No good. Nakuha ni Andre Lee. Pass to Dominice. Dominice. For 3. No good. Nakuha ni Lee. Pull up. No good. Nakuha ulit ni Dominice. Traveling violation. 91. De La Peña. De La Peña. Pass to Velarde. Off the glass. 2 points yan para kay Velarde. Dominice. Out of bound. De La Peña. 15 to shoot. De La Peña. Naagaw ni Andre Lee. Foul. Aloya. Adonis. Pass to Hansko. Adonis. Pass to Hansko. 3 seconds violation. Time out. Silang Hooper. Official score. 2-3 in favor of NXT. Back to the ball game. Remaining time, 5 minutes and 15 seconds. De La Peña. Pass to Perez. Naagaw ni Hansko. Nasundutan. De La Peña. Dire-diretso. Nakuha ni Andre Lee. De La Peña, pull up. 2 points yan para kay De La Peña. Adonis. May traveling violation na tinawag. Out of bounds. Andre Lee. Inbound the ball. Pass to Cabrera. Pass to Hansko. Hansko. Dire-diretso. Pass to Andre Lee sa ilalim. Naagaw ni De La Peña. De La Peña. Nasundot ni De La Peña. Supply. Carrera. Dire-diretso. Supply. Nakuha ni De La Peña. De La Peña. De La Peña. 5 to shoot. Nakuha ni Oliveros. Out of bounds. Hansko. Naagaw ni De La Peña. Dire-diretso. Out of bounds. NXT Sports Ball. Hansko. Naagaw ni De La Peña. De La Peña. Pull up. 2 points yan para kay De La Peña. Timeout. NXT Sports. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Arrojo. Pass to Adonis. Back to Arrojo. Nakagaw ni De La Peña. No good. Out of bounds. Same ball. Duque. At may foul. Paulo na Adonis. De La Peña. Nakuha ni Balolot. Pass to Carrera. Dire-diretso. 2 points yan para dito kay Carrera. De La Peña. Pass to Perez. No good. Nakuha ni Adonis. May foul. Foul on number 91, Adonis. De La Peña. Jump ball. Same ball. 5 to shoot. Shot clock violation. Adonis. Kickball. Carrera. Pass to Adonis. 3 points yan para dito kay Adonis. De La Peña. De La Peña. Arrojo, derecho. Foul. Foul on number 10, Darrell Perez. 2 free throw for Arrojo. First throw for Arrojo. No good. Second throw for Arrojo. Basket. Remaining time, 42 seconds remaining. De La Peña. Pass to Nuke. Pass to De La Peña. 30 seconds. Out of bounds. De La Peña. Three points yan para kay Tomaro. Five seconds remaining. Adonis for 3. No good. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of our first quarter. Official score, all 9. To the ball game. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our second quarter. Arrojo. Pass to Dominice. Dominice. Foul. Foul on number 9, Nuke. First throw for Dominice. Basket. Second throw. No good. Nakuha ulit ni Dominice. Nakagaw ni Tomaro. Derecho. No good. Foul. Foul on number 27, Lex Tomaro. Dominice. Pass to Arrojo. Back to Dominice. Dominice. Pull up. Out of bound. Nuke. Pass to De La Peña. Pass to Tomaro. Back to De La Peña. 15 to shoot. Aloya. Pass to De La Peña. 4-3. No good. Nakuha ni Aloya. 10 to shoot. Pass to De La Peña. Nakuha ni Arojo. Nabitawan. Aloya. Inbound the ball pass to De La Peña. Pass to Velarde. Pass to Nuke sa ilalim. 2 points yan para kay Nuke. Carrera. 2 points yan para kay Carrera. Aloya. Pass to Nuke. Pass to De La Peña. Out of bound. Carrera. Pass to Arojo. Pass to Dominice. 4-3. No good. Nakuha ni Carrera. May foul. Foul on Limbo. No good. Second throw for Carrera. Basket. De La Peña. De La Peña. Nakawala. Floater. 2 points yan para kay De La Peña. Dominice. Pass to Carrera. Naagaw ni De La Peña. Diretso. 2 points yan para kay De La Peña. Arojo. Naagaw ni Aloya. Foul. Foul on Dominice. De La Peña. De La Peña, pass to Velarde. 4-3. 3 points yan para kay Velarde. Angat na po sa 5 kalamangan ng Silang Hoopers. Foul. Foul on De La Peña. Nilos, pass to Dominice. Nakuha ni Nilo. First throw kay Mark Stu. No good. Second throw for Mark Stu. No good. Nakuha ni Balolot. Naagaw ni De La Peña. De La Peña setting the play. Pass to Aloya. Floater. No good. Nakuha ni Nuke. Pass to De La Peña. 5 to shoot. De La Peña for 3. No good. Dominice. Pass to Balolot. Sa ilalim. No good. Pass Dominice. 2 points yan para kay Dominice. Naagaw ni Balolot. Pass to Dominice. Back to Balolot. Nilos for 2. No good. Dominice. Easy 2 points by Dominice. At may foul. De La Peña. De La Peña. Pass to Velarde. Foul. Foul on number 20, Mark Su. First throw for Velarde. Basket. Second throw for Velarde. Basket again. Dominice. Pass to Adonis. Pass to Balolot. Nilos for 3. No good. Nakuha ni Aloya. Pass to De La Peña. De La Peña. Dominice. No good. Nakuha ni Velarde. Velarde. Out of bound. Hansko. Nagaw ni De La Peña. Dire-diretso. At may foul. Counted. Foul on number 69, Hansko. Bonus shot for De La Peña. Basket. Remaining time 3 minutes and 13 seconds para sa ating second quarter. Arojo. Pass to Nilos. Sumalaksak. 2 points yan para kay Nilos. Velarde. Pass to Nuke. Kay Velarde. Pull up 2. No good. Nakuha ni Balolot. Pass to Arojo. Arojo. Naagaw ni Nuke. Pass to Velarde. No good. Foul. Foul on number 91, Adoni. Shooting. Shooting 2 free throws for Perez. First throw for Perez. No good. Second throw for Perez. No good again. Nakuha ni Kadir, pass to Arrojo. Pass to Adonis for 3. 3 points yan para kay Adonis. Aloya. Pass to Perez. Pass to Duque. 10 to shoot. Pass to Perez. Out of bound. NXT. Ball. Arrojo. Nasundutan. Jump ball. Aloya. Pass to Perez. Nakuha ni Perez. Nakuha ni Nilos. Nilos, derecho. No good. Foul. Follow number 91, Adonis. Time out. Silang Hooper. Official score 23-22 in favor of Silang Hooper. Back to the ball game. Remaining time 1 minute and 9 seconds for our second quarter. Two shots for Aloya. Second throw for Aloya. Free throw violation. Arrojo. Pass to Andre Lee. Andre Lee for 3. No good. Nakuha ni Aloya. Traveling violation. Arrojo, 50 seconds remaining. Arrojo, no good. Nakuha ni Carrera, no good. Out of bound. Well to shoot. Nilos for 3. No good. Nakuha ni Aloya. 30 seconds. Oliveros. Pull up. No good. At may foul. Aloya. Remaining time, 12.5 seconds. No good. Nakuha ni De La Peña. 10 seconds. No good. 5 seconds. May tinawag na traveling violation. 4 seconds. De La Peña. That is the end of our first half. Official score 23-22 in favor of Silang Hoopers. Pass to Dominice. Traveling violation. Aloya, pass to De La Peña. Pass to Aloya for 3. No good. Arojo, pass to Dominice. Pass to Carrera. No good. Dominice. Still by De La Peña. Dire-diretso. 2 points yan para kay De La Peña. Timeout. NXT Sport. Official score 25-22 in favor of Silang Hoopers. Back to the ball game. Arrojo. Pass to Pineda. Still by Aloya. Aloya. No good. Nakuha ni Adonis. Adonis. Pass to Arrojo. Arrojo. Pass to Pineda. Pineda. Jump ball. Silang Hoopers ball. Aloya, inbound the ball. Pass to De La Peña. Traveling violation. Arrojo. Pass to Adonis. Still by De La Peña. No good. Nakuha ni Arrojo. Still by Perez. Perez. Pass to Aloya. Still by Arrojo. Arrojo. Easy 2 points by Arrojo. Perez. Pass to De La Peña. Foul. Foul on number 9. Luque. Adonis. Pass to Pineda. Pass to Balolot. Back to Adonis. Traveling violation. Remaining time, 7 minutes and 40 seconds para sa ating third quarter. Aloya. Pass to De La Peña. De La Peña. Pull up 2. No good. Nakuha ni Balolot. Balolot. Adonis, pass to Balolot. 10 to shoot. Foul. Foul on number 9. Luque. Two shots for Balolot. First shot, no good. Second throw by Balolot. No, nakuha ni Aloya. Pass to De La Peña. De La Peña. Easy 2 points by De La Peña. Balolot. Foul. Foul on number 9, Nuke. Fourth personal foul. Two shots for Balolot. First throw, no good. Second throw. No good. Nakuha ni Adoni. Under, no good. Nakuha ni Balolot. 2 points yan para kay Balolot. De La Peña. De La Peña. Setting the play. Pass to Nuke. Sa ilalim. 2 points yan para kay Nuke. Naagaw ni De La Peña. Easy 2 points by De La Peña. Adonis. Pass to Domenice. Pass to Balolot. Naagaw ni De La Peña. Pass to Aloya. Easy 2 points by Aloya. Nilos, pass to Pineda. Pass to Domenice. Pass to Carrera. Easy 2 points by Carrera. De La Peña. Setting the play, De La Peña. Pass to Aloya. Floater, no good. Nakuha ni Carrera. Binabantayan ni Tomaro. Naagaw ni De La Peña. Foul. Timeout Sila Cooper. Official score 33-28 in favor of Sila Cooper. Back to the ball game. Remaining time 4 minutes and 59 seconds. Aloya. Pass to De La Peña. Back to Aloya for 3. No good. Out of bound. Dominice. Pass to Carrera. Pass to Pabor. Pass to Dominice. For 3. No good. Nakuha ni Aloya. Tomaro. No good. Foul. Unsportsmanlike foul or number 19. Carrera. Basket. For De La Peña. Second technical free throws for De La Peña. Basket again. Aloya. Pass to De La Peña. Kadir, pass to Nilos. Pass to Dominice. Dominice. Floater. No good. Nakuha ni De La Peña. Pass to Aloya. Pass to De La Peña. Pass to Aloya. No good. Nakuha ni Mark Shu. Naagaw ni De La Peña. Dire-diretso. Easy 2 points by De La Peña. Dominice. $14 to shoot. 3 minutes exactly para sa ating third quarter. De La Peña. Setting the play. Pass to Tomaro for 3. No good. Balolot pass to Dominice. Mark Su. 2 points for Mark Su. Bonus throw. Bonus shot for Mark Su. Basket. Official score 37-31 in favor of Silang Hoopers. De La Peña. 15 to shoot. Pass to Velarde. For 3. No good. Nakuha ni Balolot. Pass to Domenice. Foul. Foul on Olivero. Two shots for Domenice. First throw, no good. Second throw. No good. Nakuha ni Balolot. May foul. Foul on Velarde. First throw, no good. Second throw for Balolot. No good. Bonus throw. No good. Free throw violation. De La Peña. Pass to Aloya. Aloya. No good. Nakuha ni Mark Su.
Technical foul on number 13 is J.M. Arroyo for touching. J.M. Arroyo for fouls.
Technical foul for Aloya. For taunting.
Thank you, referee Crawford, to pick up the ball.
Technical free throw basket. Plus ball possession. Bertuccio, pass to Domenice. Dire-diretso. Foul. Out of bounds. Bertuccio, pass to Domenice. Pull up two. Denied. Nakuha ni De La Peña. De La Peña. Setting the play. May foul. Foul, pabor. Perez, pass to De La Peña. Pass to Perez for 3. No good. Nakuha ni Bertuccio. 1 minute exactly. Arojo. Pass to Carrera. Sa ilalim. 2 points yan para kay Carrera. De La Peña. Pass to Olivares. Nakuha ni Carrera. Dire-diretso. 2 points para kay Carrera. $20 seconds remaining. Foul.
Warning number 47, Miguel Pabor for a set minutes or more.
Velarde pass to De La Peña. 15 seconds remaining. First shot for Olivares. No good. Second throw for Olivares. Free throw violation. 12 seconds remaining. Five. Bertuccio. 2 points yan para kay Bertuccio. And that's it, the end of our third quarter. Official score 37-38 in favor of NXT Sports. Back to the ball game. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the fourth and final quarter. Carrera. Pass to Hansko. Hansko. Out of bound. Save ball. Baloloy. Pass to Hansko. Pass to Carrera. Nakuha ni Nuke. De La Peña. 8 seconds. Violation. Bertuso. Pass to Carrera. Umatake. No good. Out of bounds. Same ball. With 14 seconds on the shot clock. Offensive foul for Hansko. De La Peña, pass to. Ano ba? Foul. Foul on Carrera. 2 shots for Luque. First throw, no good. Second throw for Luque. No good. Free throw violation. Carrera. Pass to Pabor. Pabor. Pass to Hansko. No good. Nakuha ni Baloloy. 2 points yan para kay Baloloy. Traveling violation.
Please don't miss the shot.
14 to shoot. Perez inbound the ball pass to De La Peña. Back to Perez for 3. No good. Nakuha ni Carrera. Pass to Pabor. For 3. No good. Nakuha ni Balolot. Jump ball. De La Peña. Pass to Nuque. Pass to Velarde. Naagaw ni Carrera. Dire-diretso. Foul. Basket. Bonus shot. Bonus shot for Carrera. De La Peña. Pass to Luque. Still by Carrera. Out of bounds. Fourteen to shoot. Perez. Nagaw ni Balolot. Pass to Carrera. Dire-diretso. 2 points yan para kay Carrera. Official score. 37-44. De La Peña. Pass to Velarde. Pass to Perez. Back to Olivares. Ay. Pabor. Pass to Carrera. Foul. Foul on number 9, Luque. Timeout, Silang Hooper. Remaining time, 6 minutes and 26 seconds. Back to the ball game. 16 to shoot. Pabor. Go good. Nakuha ni Carrera. Jump ball. Twelve to shoot. Foul on number 11, Jerome De La Peña. Hands ko.
Disqualifying foul on number 10, Abel Perez for excessive swinging of fouls. Abel Perez is out of the playing court.
Disqualifying foul on number 10, Perez. Out of the playing court. Basket for Hansko. Ito nice pass for 2 points for Balolot. De La Peña. De La Peña. Still by Hansko. May tinawag na foul. Foul on number 8, Olivero. Two shots for Hansko.
He's off for Hansko.
First shot. No good. Second throw for Hansko. Basket. De La Peña. De La Peña. Pinaharas. Pass to Tomaro. Technical free throw for De La Peña. No good. De La Peña. Offensive foul. Hansko. For 3. 3 points for Hansko. Visual score 37-51 in favor of NXT Sports. Steal by Hansko. Out of bound. De La Peña. 10 to shoot. Pull up. No good. Rebound by Balolot. Pass to Carrera. Offensive foul. Offensive foul on number 19, Carrera. Masangkay. Pass to De La Peña. De La Peña. Denied. Nakuha ni Aroha. Pass to Carrera. No good. Out of bounds. Same ball. Out of bounds. De La Peña.
was a foul on number 69 of NXT's Fort Hospital.
De La Peña. Setting the play. 10 to shoot. No good. Carrera. Easy 2 points by Carrera. Gomez. Pass to Oliveros. Olivero. Pass to Masangkay. Foul. Foul on number 59, Balolot.
He's with personal foul.
First throw for Masangkay, no good. Second throw. Basket. Carrera pass to Arrojo. Pass to Hatsko. Steal by De La Peña. No good. Jump ball.
Cecilia Lucas. He will stay at the same table afterwards at the entrance. Technical foul on number 59, Clark Malone, and number 60, Simon Nicosis for Hospital Lake Behavior. Also technical foul on number 8 of Sheila Rivers, Isaac Oliveros for Hospital Lake Behavior. Disqualifying foul on number 47 Miguel Favor for entering the court without permission. Also, disqualifying foul on number 91 Jalen Adonis for total leg behavior.
Technical free throws for De La Peña. No good. Second throw. Basket. De La Peña. De La Peña, still by Dominice. Jump ball.
Possession goes to NXT Sports.
Carrera. Pass to Arrojo. Pass to Dominice. Remaining time. 2 minutes exactly. De La Peña. Foul. Foul. Arrojo.
22 on this. His third personal foul.
2 shots for De La Peña. First throw, no good. Second throw for De La Peña. No good. Rebound by Hansko. Hansko. Dire-diretso. No good. Nakuha ni Arrojo. Easy 2 points by Arrojo. Still by Dominice. No good. Rebound by De La Peña. De La Peña. Carrera. Pass to Dominice. Remaining time, 55 seconds. Pass to Hansko for 3. No good. Kuha ni De La Peña. Foul. Foul, Hansko. De La Peña. First throw for De La Peña. No good. Second throw for De La Peña. No good. Nakuha ni Carrera. 40 seconds. $30 seconds. Easy 2 points by Dominice. Timeout, Silang Sport. Official score 39-57 in favor of NXT Sports. Back to the ball game. Remaining time, 28.6 seconds para sa ating fourth and final quarter. Rodriguez pass to De La Peña. Foul.
Foul on number 17,
Follow number 13, Pineda. 2 shots for De La Peña. First throw, no good. Second throw for De La Peña. Basket. Kadir. Pass to Bertuccio. Pass to Kadir. Pull up two. No good. Official score 40-57.